Pinakamalaking resort here in Bulacan na may 13 swimming pool facilities lang naman, including mini and big wave pool. May 15-feet pool with a diving board. May iba't ibang mga kiddie pools. May mga giant slides. May pa-bubble bath party. May thousands of different giant and life-size cartoon character statues. May enjoy nyo dito yung 2 hanging bridges nila and yung 4 hectares of man-made fishing lagoon. Meron din sila dito ang iba't ibang types of cottages, depende kung ilan kayo. And of course, 100 of deluxe air-conditioned rooms. May spacious na parking area and of course, may palayban pa. The largest resort here in Bulacan, ito ang Jed's Island Resort na located lang sa MacArthur Highway, Kalumpit, Bulacan. Bago kayo pumasok, friend, may mag-a-assist sa inyo na receptionist sa cashier.